Before the stars began to shine, before the dawn of space and time, the Father's voice, the Spirit's breath, created life, defeating death. Then Christ the Son, on earth He came, to bear our sins, to take the shame. He walked with us, He felt our pain. Through Him the lost are born again. Sure and steadfast, three as one, Father, Spirit, and the Son, a guiding light, our hearts rely. Through faith in them, we never die. The Spirit moves where hearts will pray. In every breath, He lights the way. He whispers truth, He brings us near, to know the love that casts out fear. With every step they walk beside, a Trinity, our strength, our guide. To speak, to trust, to lean upon, forever true, three as one. Sure and steadfast, three as one, Father, Spirit, and the Son, a guiding light, our hearts rely. Through faith in them, we never die. In every trial, they hold us close. Through joy and tears, their love is most. A holy bond, unbroken chain, eternal.